Alright, here we go with the video recap. Again, very good seeing you again. And so like it talks about up here on all these pages. So at least those 4 speeds every day once you can hit 120. So I have no doubts you're going to hit 120 with these. I'm just pointing this out now because eventually we'll get to more and more difficult things. And some people get the idea like they have to reach this top speed thing. It's like, no, I don't want you to go past that speed. Because we want to be in the realm of the ability to always play things correctly. And when we get to too fast a tempo, it's going to be different for everybody. But when the tempo's going too fast, a lot of times people just can't hear it anymore. They can't hear the click of the metronome. They don't realize that things are off tempo or off rhythm, things like that. So that's one reason why, basically think of 120 as a speed cap. We want to do the 60 beats a minute because it's very important to remember to lay back on the beat, be relaxed when you play, focus on being as accurate as you can, which is going to carry over into the fast stuff. And then you got the middle speeds there to make sure that you're hitting things at various speeds. So you get the slow, you get the faster tempo, and then you got the stuff in the middle. So for the video demo here, I'm just going to play the slow and the fast speed, which is what I'm going to ask you to do when you come back in next week. So when you play, practice, make sure you get all 4 speeds at least. You can work them up slower whenever need be. The whole not going over 10 minutes of practicing this stuff is, you got 3 things, so that's already 30 minutes tops right there. I don't want you to have burnout. I don't want you to push yourself to the point where your brain starts short-circuiting and all that stuff. So, want to approach this in a very smart, efficient manner. And I also want to make sure you have plenty of time to just play the stuff you have fun playing. That's very important too. A lot of times people forget to do that. They get so wrapped up in just instruction and lesson stuff, which is great. I love the dedication, but you got to make sure you do stuff that you have fun with. If you're having fun just doing this, well then there you go. That's a little bit different. But got to play the stuff that you write, play the stuff that you just like listening to, etc. And then with the scale stuff, just take your time with that as well. Relearn one scale shape at a time. And I know you said like you're more familiar with the key of G. So just want to refamiliarize yourself with it. Is that a word? Refamiliarize yourself? Refamiliarize? Jesus. Anyway, take your time with that too. No rush, no race. And here we go. I'm going to count all 4 beats as I play, which is what I want you to do. I'll be tapping my foot. You probably can't see it though. I'm going to count off 4 so you know when I'm going to begin. So this way you can follow along with the video. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. So yeah, that last chord, I'll just say done for that, and we'll be done with it. So no need to let that one ring out the full whole note. That's just the easiest way to fill up that last bar. And remember, keep the chords ringing out as long as possible. I want you to work on transitioning chord to chord while your fingers stay fretted. So you don't want this. We want... Alright, here we go. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. On to number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Number 3. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Hang on a second. Sorry, I just realized there's a. Where did that 3 come from? When did I put that there? Hope that's not on your page. If there's a 3 on your paper, ignore that. If there's a 3 up here where the highlighted thing is, ignore that. Definitely don't ignore those 3s. Those are important. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Okay. And then the thumb picking stuff, I'm going to do my best to remember to give you a link to a video I've done talking about this stuff. But yeah, basically start with your thumb flat, straight, and then you bend it down for the downstroke, up for the upstroke. So you want it to go the same direction your wrist would go. So yeah, if you just spend a few minutes a day doing that, making sure it's always bending down for the downstroke, up for the upstroke, and that the pick is always going in a semicircle down towards the bridge, up towards the neck. So down towards the bridge, up towards the neck. Basically the same direction your wrist would go. That's how you want the thumb to go. Okay. If any questions come up before Sunday, let me know, and I'll see you next week.